I say switch, you will change your topic.
Government doctors keep
Switch.
private there is an emergency, and after and when it's there are we don't have
And on cell phone we call any person on TV. On cell phone we call video call on TV. How to maintain the talks with people. Father is very supportive. Mother is very caring person in the family, and it's maintained. Father always runs the.
She teach us father play very important role. Mother.
So are you ready with switch talks?
Yes.
To start first?
No sir.
Why?
boys are also very
Dynamic.
Nowadays girls are doing better comparative to boys,
Switch.
and
Nowadays boys are
The society and about the people. Friends always support. Family always gives the best. Friends always motivates and give the best.
There is a very famous ghats like Namo Ghat, and in India, CM Yogi Adityanath is very.
India CM Yogi. We have successfully done this Switch Talks activity, and I think everybody must have enjoyed this. So, audience, what is the message for you? They'll tell, and they'll also tell their experiences. That what was the main thing that they like during the performance of Switch Talks. Okay, Aryan, you have done the Switch Talks activity. Do you like this?
Yes, sir.
What was the special thing did you like in it?
So, in this Switch Talk, we learned many things. Like we also have to prepare for everything, and we also have to concentrate our mind in our achievement, in our goals.
Afzal, you also performed very good. What was the special thing that Switch Talks tells us?
So the most special thing or most important thing that Switch Talks tells us is how smoothly and how smoothly the topic will be changed.
Sumit, you also did, and you also made a fun while having Switch Talks activity. So, do you think it is a learnable thing or it is just a funny thing?
It is a learnable things because in which it increase our concentration, and in this activity we increase our thinking power.
Very good. Aryan. Aryan is visible or not? I think I should come here. Huh? You also have a lot of fun while performing Switch Talks. So tell me one thing, when you were performing your Switch Talks, what was the special thing did you notice?
The special thing I noticed that concentrate on the topic that was switch, and come here with full of preparation because sir आप कभी भी switch बोल सकते हैं.
You can speak Switch anytime.
Sir can switch.
You are talking to me while looking at the camera.
You can switch. Tell switch anytime.
Fine. Sadhna. When I was telling switch and switch and switch again, so what was the thing moving in your mind?
Sir, firstly, I think that what is going on, and when you speak switch, like what is going on?
Ananya, you came twice. So, can you tell me that in the first step and in the second step, what were the difference did you find?
Sir, the first of all, in Switch Talk, my first Switch Talk for the first time, but in first time when you say switch, I was totally blanked, and I don't understand what I have to say. But when it going continuously, I have idea to say what is going on, and I repeat same words many times, but I know what to do.
very good. You may come here. Aradhna, you were the first to come here, and it was very new for you. So, what was the thing that was moving in your mind that when you come here and to perform?
Firstly, I enjoyed the Swiss talk very well, and I think that I am prepared very well. But when sir speak Switch, then my mind is totally blank. But I concentrate on the topic and tell about the topic what is going on.
Sarah, you also came twice? Okay, now tell our audience that is it a good activity or we should continue this activity?
So firstly, I really enjoyed this activity. It is very good for the children to give the answer very suddenly, because sometimes in life the situation comes very the situation comes very suddenly for changed. That's why you have to stick and you have to give the answer back, and it is very good activity for that.
Khushi, you are a very newcomer in this Switch Talks. So, did you notice something special while having Switch Talks?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Firstly, I tell you, this is very enjoyable. This is very enjoyable. And first thing I noticed, if we continue, if we in this game and in this performance, how to words and topics are strike immediately in our mind. And if we think about more and more topics and immediately, this is very important to us in our everyday life. But and one thing also I noticed in this, how to have more knowledge, which where we have to talk about anything and anywhere and anytime. And thank you, sir, for giving me this topic and participating in this first time, and this is very beautiful.
Thank you so much. Agriti, you are also very new in this activity. Okay, what message do you want to convey our audience about this Switch Talk activity?
I would like to suggest the audience that it will increase our willpower and increase to and it was help to speak. It helps to speak in front of the peoples. Don't be nervous and speak that what are you thinking about. Thank you, sir.
Vanshika, you are also a very newcomer. It is your first day today. So tell two things. First, have you enjoyed this? And what were the main things for the enjoyment in Switch Talks?
Yes, sir, I enjoyed a lot. This was my first time, first experience of Switch Talk, and I enjoyed a lot. I learned that how to handle a certain topic. If someone give you a certain topic, so how to handle this, and secondly, it increases our ability of knowledge and concentration.
So we have done successfully this Switch Talks. Now, who will give the declaration of subscribe and like wala button ऐसा कुछ to our audience? You. Okay.
So please also share this video and also subscribe the channel and also like the video. Okay, thank you. And also have to
Thank you for clicking this video. Thank you all.